Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. My name is Husamadia binti Azman with matric number DE180052, and the other two members are Danish Shahmi bin Iramlan with matric number DE180051, and Muhammad Danish Adin bin Luqman with matric number CE190242. Okay, we are from group 3, section 3, digital signal processing with code BEJ 30603. Our lecturer names is TS Sharifah binti Saud. Today we would like to present our group assignment entitled Guitar Tuner.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and very good evening to my lecturer, Dr. Sharifah binti Saud. Today, I will present my project, which is Guitar Tuner for digital signal processing. And for the while, I will introduce my name. My name is Danish Shahmi bin Ramlan, and my group member is Husna Maliha binti Azman and Muhammad Danish Adid bin Luqman. Okay, for the introduction, for the since the guitar is one of the most widely played instrument in the world, so all the musical based on guitar, but actually all the music use guitar to play the melody of the music. Second, it determine how widely out the tune the guitar is. The measure frequency is compared to the right fundamental frequency of the string, which is this system will help uh, the guitarist to tune the guitar, the automatic tune guitar. Third is provide the simple method of tuning guitar, which is the simple method of guitar, which is we just put uh, some something on the head of the guitar, then we can tune the guitar. It's just for the just a simple tuner. Okay, for the literature review, for the first paper I review is the musician use guitar to tune to determine whether their signal are in the tune. The pitch of the input signal is compared to a standard pitch to determine its quality, and aid to the conventional pitch tuning is provided by this display. The method of tuning guitar involves repeatedly plucking and string until the frequency is close as possible to the intent constant pitch. So when you tune the guitar, uh, they have some signal, which is the if you tell the signal and the tune is correct. The paper I review, which is second paper is using the digital signal technique like the fast Fourier transform, windowing, and interpolation have developed to strengthen the instrument using device that can determine the actual fundamental frequency of the string when displayed and determine the difference between the key tuning, the prototype signal from the string is order. For example, the several report used the robot in music teaching. The literature tune up no similar application to describe is the work. However, research using an our robot can help students learn music, and robot really might assess the student progress by listening a verbally, which is for example, we use a robot. So robot can teach the student autism or normal student can how to read the melody of a guitar, how to what a guitar produce the melody, the string, and how to pluck the guitar. So that's all for me, Benjamin. Thank you.
Okay, next I will continue to the problem statement. As guitarists, it is great to have an instrument that are working properly. However, issue can emerge with the rebellious that can strive with the producing music. One issue that was recognized that can happen is having an instrument be out of tune. The musician would have to be alter tuning of the instrument in a range to proceed creating music. Not only that, A manually tuned guitar normally takes a really long time to get the fines tuned. A wrong tune can cause the guitar to produce a wrong tone, even a slightly mistake, and because of that, of high quality sound cannot be produced. Our objective of this project is to build a program that can tune a guitar accurately by detecting the frequency by each notes. Number two is to make sure in future a good music can be produced. And number three is by developing this system, we can have a lot of guitarists out there by consuming a less time to tune the guitar.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So this is the part of analysis or discussion. So to ensure this project is well developed, we need to know what is the guitar tuner and how does the guitar tuner work. So to gain this knowledge, we have made a few research about it. The first one was what is the guitar tuner. So in music, an electronic tuner could be a gadget that identifies and show the pitch of some melodic notes that play on the instrument. So it is imperative to get into the rule behind the construct. So there are six major melodic notes of the strings that is signified by the letter E, A, capital E, capital D, capital G, capital B, and the last one is capital E. So this is the basic notes. So the last one is pitch is uh, characteristic as the uproar or lowness of sound, and it's shown by the frequency of the sound that have been produced by the strings. So that's all for the result part. So this is my coding section, and to run this project, we just, as we can see there on the command window, we can see that it said press the number corresponding to string being tuned and press 0 to end the program. So first of all, we will tune the E strings, which is represented by number 1. So we just click number 1, press enter, and then it will tell us the frequency of the string, where it should be 82.5 Hz. So to start recording, we just press the enter button, and then we just plug the string. Okay, as we can see, it's filtering, and then it shows the waveform of the string. So to continue for the other string, for example, we choose D string, which is represented by number 3, and the exact frequency is 146.8. So we press enter button again, and then we start recording. Okay, so we repeat the process again for string B, which is represented by number 5. The frequency was 246.9 Hz. Press enter. Okay, so this is the waveform. So this is the the string that we have been uh, incorrect tuning. So if the string didn't reach the exact frequency like it shows, we just need to repeat the process. And that's all for the result and discussion um, part. So let's continue to the conclusion part. Continue my presentation with the conclusion. So uh, the points of interest on the components, which is include the tuning of the guitar. So the critical figure being the fundamental recurrence of the notes. So the strategies to find the same is we examine utilizing consonant item spectrum, which is uh, have been researched by the previous researchers. So the component that influence essential recurrence detection, such as testing recurrence, examining duration, background clamor, and the logarithmic nature of signal intervals in melodic notes. So the basic frequency was instrumental in desettling the recurrence detection algorithm. So this project can be expanded, which is by the hardware implementation. So incorporate program tuning of the guitar strings by employing the some motor to run the tuning packs by a voltage corresponding to the sum of turn that have been required. So that's all from our group, and thank you.